In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HoneyBook account. By the end, you'll have a fully set up workspace ready to book clients, send invoices, and keep your projects organized from day one. First, open your preferred browser and head to the official HoneyBook website. You'll see a clear option to sign up. If the site offers regional choices or prompts you with a free trial, that's normal. Go ahead and proceed. Using an up-to-date browser helps everything load smoothly and keeps your information secure. Next, choose your account type. HoneyBook works great for solo professionals and small teams, so pick what best fits your situation. If you're unsure, you can start simple and adjust later in your settings. The goal here is to match the experience to how you actually work. Now enter your information. You'll typically be asked for your name, a business name, if you have one, a work email, and a secure password. Use a strong password and keep it in a trusted password manager. You may also be asked a few quick questions about your industry or services. These help HoneyBook tailor templates and tools for you. Review any terms presented, then continue to create your account. Before moving on, verify your email. Check your inbox for a confirmation message from HoneyBook. If you don't see it, look in your spam or promotions folder. Click the verification link and keep your original browser tab open so you can jump right back into setup. With your account confirmed, set up your profile, add a business logo or a professional headshot, double check your business name and contact details, and set your location, time zone, and any brand elements like colors. This information carries through to proposals, invoices, and client communications, so a few extra minutes here makes your materials look polished. Then set up your workspace. Customize your project pipeline stages so they match your process. Things like inquiry, proposal sent, contract signed, and completed. If you work with teammates, invite them and assign permissions. Adjust notification preferences so you get alerts where and when you want them. Next, connect payment methods. HoneyBook supports secure online payments, so link your bank account or approved payment processor to receive funds. You may be asked for business details to verify your account. Make sure they match your official records. Verification can take a bit of time and you might see a small test deposit. This is normal. Finally, start using HoneyBook. Create your first project, add a contact, and try sending a test proposal or invoice using a built-in template. Explore the tools for contracts, questionnaires, and scheduling so you're ready for real clients. And that's it. You're set up and ready to work.